Hello viewers, assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. How are you guys? So we are all on behalf of Master video based and congratulations to all. Hello viewers, I have brought a new video in the channel. This video how to know if you are using a proxy server and Master video. I will explain the video in today how to do. Before starting the video, I would like to say that those who are the new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and like, comment, share and another fan circle. And your great motivation this video comment inshallah. So start the video without delay. Stay with me. So friends, today is my new video, Proxy server using the Windows key and the setup. A proxy server is a useful tool for the networking site. Okay, this is the network and observation, networking setup and networking is off on, and proxy provide the additional layer of the security or privacy for your computer and mobile device. Okay, you can also case the site you can go to the so that the load and faster the and subsequent visit. Okay, and proxy server help provide the anywhere on the internet to protect your privacy. Okay, to find your the proxy server and the computer behind the proxy server, select an operating system mainly defendable or the computer and PC and defendable the operating system from the list below the any instruction. Then Windows 10 and Windows 8 and Windows 11 and another Windows device and Linux operating system. This is the proxy server is the main key same. Okay, this is the proxy server is the click the Windows key, then the proxy server PROXY and proxy, then the server automatically the change the manual and proxy server the enter button the click, then automatically and the networking and network and internet and install Wi-Fi, Ethernet and the dial up the VPN and the airplane mode and mobile hotspot, then the proxy server. This is the case of the proxy automatic proxy and setup. This is the use and proxy server the Ethernet Wi-Fi connection. This is the setting. Do not apply your VPN connection, then automatically direct and setting, then automatically and in this case my computer is the proxy server is on. This is the on, this is the on, this is the use and setup and script, and then all this is the skip and the IP address, then save the manually. Then manual proxy server the use of the proxy server for the Ethernet or Wi-Fi connection. This is the setting and apply the VPN connection. This is the use of the proxy server is often. This is the IP address your PC or your device. Any device in proxy server is the IP address. Then port eval and code. This is the code and the local private unofficial. This is the and click mark, then the save is the proxy server. Okay, is the manual, then proxy, then mobile, then the airplane mode, then VPN, then dual currency, then the Ethernet, then Wi-Fi, then the status. This is the all connection your this is the Wi-Fi is connection, the Wi-Fi, no Wi-Fi is the connection name. Okay, this is the and proxy server. And in edit the proxy server and that appears the use of the proxy server of on computer, not in proxy. Is the if you and the enable proxy travel in the proxy server switch of the operation and IP and IP address for the information. This is the basically networking the setup your proxy server and IP address, then manually and setup. This is the Ethernet. Okay, this is the Wi-Fi connection. Okay, this is the proxy server. This is the any case any choice of and any choice, then you can say any for production. This is the your and choice and can they in this solution. Okay, so friend, no more today. Those are still subscribe my channel, please subscribe very quickly and the bell icon button to stay with us kinds of new video inshallah. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.